Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export a 3ds Max to Lumion. All right. So first up, go ahead over to File right here at the top left. Now click on Export and again, Export. Now go ahead and create a new folder for your Lumion. Okay. For example, Lumion. Double click on it. Give your export a file name. Let's say my first Lumion. All right. Now the save as type right here, or the file extension that you should use, okay, as one, we have FBX, and the second one is we have DAE right here, or Autodesk Collada. Now, Autodesk FBX right here is recommended for preserving textures, or you could go ahead and use Autodesk Collada. They work the same way. So let's just go ahead and use maybe DAE right here, and then just click on Save. Configure a preset, configure the geometry or whatever you want right here, and then just click on OK. And again, click on OK, wait for it, and your Lumion file will be available right here. Okay. Now, if you want to make sure, since we have the DAE exported as well using what? FBX. All right. Click on Save. OK. OK. There you go. Now, if you want me to create a video about using plugins like Lime Explorer, as Lime Explorer is popular for quickly exporting scenes with all textures and materials intact. Okay. It just basically acts as a bridge, often converting directly to a compatible FBX format. So do let me know in the comments below if you want me to create that kind of video. So if you have Lumion installed, just basically click on Import New Model and select from one of these file types right here. That is how you export 3ds Max to Lumion. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.